Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel You Can Fix It. Today I'm gonna show you how you can save iPhone battery. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. First you have to always use auto lock in 30 seconds and use dark mode for your eye protection and battery safe. See guys, your battery status in this iPhone. Camera app must consuming the battery. You have to remove all recently used app from recent. That app consuming battery in background running. After use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, please turn off from setting when you not using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is too much consuming battery. And always enable auto brightness. And guys, always enable battery saver mode. If you do like this, your battery performance is better to use iPhone. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.